Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Is this Shehnaz? Am I saying that right?
Yes, Shanaz.
Perfect. Okay. So, Ms. Shehnaz, how are you? Good evening.
Good evening. I'm good. What about you?
I am great. Thank you for asking. So, as you already know, my name is Divyam. Welcome to your trial.
Thank you.
And could you please give me a small introduction of yourself?
Okay, so my name is Shanaz Yusuf, as you know, and I live in Udaipur, Rajasthan. And I did my PhD in Urdu literature. So basically,
In which literature?
Urdu literature.
Urdu literature, okay.
Yes. So I'm a doctorate, and right now I'm writing my book. That's it.
Wow, can I know what the book is about?
It's about fiction. Actually, I'm a writer of a short story. My area of research is also short story, and I'm writing short stories nowadays. So yeah.
I'm sure you mean short stories.
Yes, short stories. I said short stories.
You said singular story. I'm a writer of short story. That means you've written one story.
Okay. Yeah, short story.
So before we start, you want to tell me what you want to improve on, how we can help you?
Okay. So actually, being a Hindi medium student, it is really difficult to, to totally have command on English. And when I speak with someone, so I don't face any kind of, I don't face any kind of very big problem. I mean, I know okay kind of English. I can do,
You can get through the conversation.
Yes. So, but I think actually I'm a little bit nervous today.
Okay. Let's get rid of that first. Okay. So
Okay.
you can ask me any question you want for the next 1 minute. Okay. Let's just have a casual conversation so you get all relaxed and you don't feel nervous.
Okay. No, mostly I never get nervous because hello, I'm you are not audible for me. I'm not getting what are you saying.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry, my headphones got disconnected. Okay. But I was saying you're a PhD. Hello, what are you getting scared of?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm a student of literature, and I never hesitate when I have mic on my hand, and I'm very used to of a stage, and I never feel hesitation, and I never feel uncomfortable when I have conversation with anyone. So, but yeah, that it's all about. I think it's because the fear of English. I just that lack of confidence.
Because it's unknown to you, so you don't know where it could go wrong.
Yes.
I can understand that. Okay.
Yes. So the problem is that after completed my PhD, as you know, as a scholar, I have to attend so many seminars and workshop or any other programs. There, I found so much difficulties while I had conversation with any other scholar which came from different stream, different backgrounds. Yeah, especially English scholars, English language scholars. So when we have normal conversation, I'm good. But when it comes on a particular topic, like intellectual conversation, that time I feel a little bit nervous,
Probably intimidated as well.
Yes. So I understand everything. I don't think so. There I found any kind of problem there. I understand everything, but I can't express myself in better way.
I can understand. Trust me, it might feel like this is a very random situation, but 80% of our clients have the same issue.
Yeah.
A lot of our clients are from English medium schools who studied English their whole lives. I'm not joking. I can't tell you who, but we have learners who are PhDs in literature, English literature, and they don't know how to speak. So they come to us and they tell us that,
no, that's not possible.
It is. I can't give you any proof, but I promise you it is there. I have spoken to one myself.
Oh.
Like there are people who... Best example I'll give you. These are the two reasons Clapping Go is working. Okay. One is that we use a shadowing method. Okay. Shadowing is when we talk in English and we tell you that you only have to talk in English. You can't talk in Hindi or any other regional language. Okay.
Okay.
So what happens is you listen to us say the right things and it sticks in your mind without you knowing. I'll tell you how this works. Now that you're watching Friends, do you suddenly just come up with the dialogues instinctively? When you're talking to someone and you, like Monica's, I know.
Yes.
That is shadowing.
Yes, how are you doing? That's
how you doing? Exactly.
Yes.
That's shadowing because you like it. You keep seeing it and your brain is like, okay, that is the way it should be. So it catches it, it absorbs it.
Yes.
Right? The same reason a very irritating song gets stuck in our head because we keep listening to it and we keep listening to it and we're like, now it's just stuck in your head and you can't get rid of it. That is what we are trying to do when we talk to you and when you practice here. Okay?
Okay. Second
thing is that I forgot the second thing. Wow, I'm so bad at this.
I think you correct us at the same time.
I mean, it's the difference is that if you talk to your friends, they won't correct you or they might not have the good knowledge, right? But that was not the second thing. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, forget it. Yes, the second thing is